I hid it. This is, we find this, that's a little low, okay. We have a number of Middle Eastern spice stores around here. I find it there. And the Spice House sells it online, spicehouse.com. It is a root that is used in many Middle Eastern dishes. It has the tang of onions. I think the sulfur piece of it and a little bit of the tartness. With that, she complains they taste too much like onion. So,
so goal achieved.
Yep.
Yep, celery plus the asafoetida.
And the chives give you more of the floral.
The aromatics.
Yeah. Bolivian marching. That sounds rather deadly, to be honest. But as I understand it, it's a root. It's like turmeric. But this, some of the times you get it, and it's with other things because they don't give you the full Monty. But yeah, it is my go-to. I love the flavor of onion. So, tell the story when we go out to the grocery store. I'll get the onion soup with onion ring.
Compost.
It's got me on a tether. Compost.
Yep, another way. And when we go to a restaurant, Hippie often orders the onion soup because he can have it and I can have something else and everybody's happy.
Now, is it a fine base? I'm listening.
You may want to cut the end of one of those. The other one.
I thought I cut that off. Do I get points?
Yes. Scallion? No. Scallion falls in the onion.
And leeks don't work either. Those were actually the first thing that you reacted to, I think, are leeks.
Yeah, that was way before I even got sick. Leeks, I cannot do leeks, onions of any kind, even vidalias. Cannot do scallions or shallots. That's the purple one you were thinking of. But chives are okay.
Chives are okay. And odd thing is, celery works because it's a close relative to the leek. Which...
Hey, Gilroy.
Gilroy, all right.
Welcome back. How's the puppy?